there, my lovelies, this is Jana here. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to make, ta-da, a very beautiful, very comforting food. As always, we like to do things this way on this channel, which is a Lancashire Hotpot, and oh, it looks so nice. So follow me and I'll show you how I put it together. Alright, so now we're going to start by heating a little bit of oil, and we're going to brown the mushrooms. Now, for your mushrooms to become golden brown easier and faster, it's nicer if you do that in batches, as in you add a little bit of the mushrooms, and then once they're done, they're supposed to be very golden brown, okay? And then you remove them from the pot, put it in a plate, and then put another batch of the raw mushrooms, and so on until you have no more raw mushrooms left, because this way you're going to ensure that the mushrooms are going to cook thoroughly, and they're going to taste much better. Like they're going to caramelize. That's what's going to happen. Alright, so now we're going to fry the chopped onions until everything is golden. Now you add the garlic. And the sliced carrots. Two bay leaves and fresh thyme, and sprinkle a little bit of flour, all-purpose flour, and allow it to cook for about 2 minutes. Now we're going to add the brown mushrooms, Worcestershire sauce, the vegetable broth, salt, pepper, the smoked paprika, and oregano, and let it simmer for a few minutes. Now you're wondering, oh, but the Worcestershire sauce is not vegan because it contains anchovies. True, that's correct. However, you can make your own and make it vegan. How about that? So click over there because I made one, and it's like really easy, and it lasts for a long time in the fridge. And so this is one of my kitchen staples. I use that all the time, and you're gonna do the same, I think. Alright, so now we're going to transfer the stew into a baking dish. And now we're going to slice some potatoes. I like to do it last because I don't want them to get to turning brown. And I also don't like putting them in water because then they get too wet. So I like to do it at this point. If you want to do it really fast, you can use a food processor, because I think that the thinner they are, I think that the crunchier they get and the faster they're gonna cook once they are in the oven. So that's what I did, but you can choose. Now you arrange that on the top of your stew by overlapping them. Make it pretty. And now we're going to drizzle or brush a little bit of vegan melted butter. and a few sprigs of fresh thyme. Now, 5 or 6 minutes before the end of the cooking time, we remove the aluminum foil or the lid, and then if you want, you can brush a little bit more of vegan butter on top, and then you put it under the broil for 5 or 8 minutes or until it becomes golden brown, because this part is going to caramelize the potatoes, and this is going to add that extra crunchiness and that extra mylar effect that we love so much. And voila, ready!
The water's rising, the dam is breaking in. It was bound to happen, 'cause your heart is caving in.
So this is it for today. How about this beautiful hearty stew? And oh my god, it's so beautiful, isn't it? And so easy to put together, because that's how we roll here on this channel. We like uncomplicated food, but that look like $1 million. That is perfection. So I hope you make it, and if you do, please tag me, Instagram and Facebook, and become a member of this channel. Now you can become a member of this channel. Of course, you're going to subscribe, and then you're going to become a member. And if you do, you're going to have access to exclusive contents and perks, which is going to be posted on the community tab here. And this is it. Apart from that, have a fabulous week. Take care of each other, and I see you next time. Bye bye.